Hello there and welcome back to my channel, My Take on How To, where I try all kinds of things. So today a few thoughts about heating space cheaply. So this is my 77 square foot camper, tiny house, and I want to keep it somehow, warm-ish in the winter, so at least no frost in it. So stuff I have considered and tried out and done is, for example, here in this lantern I have an alcohol burner and it works great, but I would only advise it when you're actually in the room, so I would never leave that alone and walk away. Then I found a nice infrared heater, so the old style parabolic infrared heater, and this one is actually 300 watts. Well, no, it's down here. There we go. Are you doing it? Come on. Anyways, so and that works great too, but again, it doesn't have a thermostat, so I would not walk away from it either. Now, thinking out of the box, and I thought, why the heck don't I try out an aquarium heater? So here we have an aquarium heater, and it's set to max, and I have a water bottle, and it goes. Considering that's outside something like 1 or 2 degrees, it's not too bad in here. I don't have a thermostat, but I would say it's between 7 and 8 degrees, which is, it's good enough, serves the purpose, I had in mind. And like I said, this aquarium heater only draws 150 watts. So absolutely doable. And yeah, so far so good. Considering a bigger water tank in here, maybe. Maybe looking into a bigger aquarium heater, but for now, I'm just going with this one here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.